I congratulate Amity Institute of Clinical Psychology, Amity University, Patna for conducting this wonderful program, 2-day conference organized by Amity Institute of Clinical Psychology and approved by Rehabilitation Council of India. They have invited 103 participants from 10 states, and out of those it has been told to me that 54 were clinical psychologists. This says the success of the program. I congratulate entire team of Amity Institute of Clinical Psychology, especially the head of department Dr. Ashutosh Kumar Santosh and all members of this team.
RCI approved course. Team training and therapy for people. Those faculties of man will serve as a bridge.
This team unitedly make the success of Amity University Patna. I am 100% sure for that. Wishing them all the very best for future endeavors.
This is the one of the national conference on bridging the gap in the psychological intervention of autism spectrum disorder. This conference was organized by Amity Institute of Clinical Psychology, Amity University Patna, in collaboration with the Rehabilitation Council of India. Total of 103 participants attended this conference. Among them, 54 are RCI registered rehabilitation professionals. Different speakers from the background of psychiatry and clinical psychology. They were the guest speaker, and they have delivered the lecture about the basic nature and intervention plan of autism. Dr. Shanti Rai was the chief guest in the inaugural session, and in the valedictory session, Dr. Satyajit Rai and Dr. Usha Kumari was the chief guest. Dr. Satyajit Singh is the director of Urban Diagnostic Hospital, and Dr. Usha Kumari is the principal of Nalanda Medical College and Hospital. We are very much obliged to our Vice Chancellor, sir, Dr. Vivekanand Pandey, sir. His constant effort is always source of motivation for us, and by motivating his personality and his help, his all-round help, this grand event will be successful.